just arrived. The headlight module is the box it came in. Hell yeah, let's get that installed. Alright, we're gonna install these right here. The headlight module. This is how it comes. I'll put the link. I got it pretty cheap from I think AliExpress. This is all that comes in here. It's a pretty simple installation, but I think it's a pretty cool upgrade too. Go ahead and open it and go. Alright. Well, this is how it comes right here. Comes with two separate pieces, that piece and this piece. I don't know why it comes separately, but this has to go at the end of there. So let me show you. Slap it on. Bam. You don't have to connect it to your OBD or anything like that. It just looks like that. This is ready to be installed. Now we just go in the car, the door, turn it on, and then there's screws here that we need to take out. One, two, and the third one's here at the bottom. Three. Go ahead and turn off the car. Two. I'm gonna be using a screwdriver. Not screwdriver. This drill here, power drill. So let's get in there and loosen them up. Let's see, we'll do this one first. It might be easier with a screwdriver. I'm gonna go grab a screwdriver. I'll be right back. Let me run and do that. All right, I'm back. Got a screwdriver. Oh, and another trick, if you guys don't like that sound, you can just come here, push this, and I'll turn it off. I thought that was pretty neat. All right, let's get up in here with the screwdriver. There we go, that's a lot easier. It's coming right out. I don't know if you guys can see that. All right, one down. Here it is. Here's the size of the screw here. One down, three to go. Second one. For the third one, you don't really have to move the steering wheel at all. It's just the first two, the top ones. All right, let's let that. I like to put it in the cup holder. And then I like to put this up all the way. That way it makes it easier to get down here and really. Let me show you guys good this. See that? I'll probably use this for this one. Oh, that's tightening. Slow down. Yep, that one came right out. Nice. All right, and now it should just pop right out. Let's see. Let's get to pull this all the way out. Pull it out all the way. And that way, separate these two pieces very easily. Should be pretty easy. Let's see. This side ready. The top piece stays. It's just the bottom piece that comes out. have a little. I have this, make it easier for me. Press this thing again. There it is. All right, and this one's never been open, as you can tell. It's pretty flush. All right, let's go on the other side and see if it'll be easier. Okay. There we go. You just stick it in. Bam. And once you have this side out, it should be a whole lot easier. Yeah, you see it opened up right here a little bit. You just go in between these and pop right out. Let me go ahead and use my hand. Make it a little easier. There it is. Bam. Loose on both sides and you should be able to just pull it out. This is how it looks. So there's the 2 screws here and the one at the bottom. And you go down here. Okay, here. The one you have to take out is this one here, the tiny one. And that's the only one you have to take out. And you grab your little kit here. You slap this one right where that one was at. Do it behind there. Slap that one in there. And then the OEM one, you put it on the other side of this. Let me go ahead and do that. Bam. All right. This is where you could go ahead and test it out already. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's see here. There it is. I unlocked it twice, and this is what it does. Let's see how long they stay on for. So 10 seconds. Let's try again. So if I hit it once, nothing. If I hit it twice, it does that. If I hit it 3 times, yeah, that's pretty cool. That's pretty cool. And then the taillights actually turn on too. Let's go ahead and check that out. 1, 2. Yep, so everything turns on. It's pretty cool. And 10 seconds and then it turns off. Bam. Cool. Looking good. So now we could go ahead and we're gonna have to zip tie this out of the way. This one here. A good place to put it is behind this white clip here. So somehow try to pull it hard, not hard enough, but far enough. So it goes past that clip and then you just get a zip tie and zip tie it around this. And the rest is pretty simple. You just put this back, put that back in there. You line it up, make sure it's all good. And yeah, put the screws back in and you should be good. Cool. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good one.